I'll try and give you guys a shot. Quick walk around of the GTO. I still have door bars. I gotta put a seatbelt bar in, and I gotta put some upper bars, or some diagonals to go from here to here. And then I could put the wheel tubs in and finish the sheet metal, on the interior. So it was set up previously to be a big turbo LS. It's got a custom chromoly subframe or cradle down there. Obviously a custom steering. And then all the A-arms. Whoa. Needs to go to powder coat. Quick tour of the GTO though.